I got to 100 subscribers in 7 days. With only 5 videos alone. Then I recommend you use those 2 ears of yours and listen to what I have to say. So you're probably here to see how to get these subscribers. No, I'm not one of those random channels that is telling you to use sub bots. What I'm really here for is to show you how to get more subs the proper way. So I hope these 3 tips will help you. The first point is going to be about your thumbnails. Now I do channel and video reviewing on my live stream, and I seem to always find the reason why your channel isn't growing is because of your thumbnails. Let me tell you something. When you see a video, what's just the first thing you see? A title and a thumbnail. If I put a title of how to go on YouTube, but in the end it was just some Minecraft video, you wouldn't want to click on it. The audience retention would be so low because that's not what the video was about. If this thumbnail was just a black screen, you would also not want to click on it. And I've also seen people asking me what is the best app for making thumbnails, and I'd either give you Photopea or Canva. Choose what you like. Number 2. You don't make your new viewers turn into returning viewers. So I don't think I've ever subbed to someone on the first video. It takes me ages until I finally subscribe to them. The problem is the person may have watched you once and liked your video, but they never came back again. Now you're probably thinking that it's about your video and they just click off because they don't really care about your video anymore. No, it isn't. See, if they like the video and watch the video till the end, but then you have an outro of something like this, guys, that's the end of the video. Make sure to leave a like and smash that subscribe button. Just stop right there. Do you think the viewer cares about your outro? If the viewer has an indication that the video is ending, they will click off and never return. What you should be doing is directing your viewers to another video and say something like this. If you also want to find out more tips on how to get subscribers, click this video right now. If you do this right and give the viewer the right topic to go to next, you'll have more views on your video, and if they like all your videos, they will subscribe. Number 3. You don't reply to your comments. You can literally check the comments on this video. I have replied to every comment, but you're probably wondering, how is replying to every comment going to help my channel? Remember when I talked about people forgetting about your channel? Well, I have commented on a bunch of videos and I never get a reply. So if you reply to every comment, people will remember your channel and your video. And if they liked it, they will want to find out more about your channel. If you want to know why 98.5% of YouTubers quit, then click this video right now.